What's up, guys? I'm at the channel. Today we're going to be working on a little bit of everything. Maybe do some things with the truck, maybe some things with the engine. But right now we're going to work on some of the boat stuff. I'm doing header and risers on a boat, which I throw some little video in it if I do have it. But other than that, I was taking apart those headers and risers, and now I'm putting all the stuff from the old risers and headers and manifolds onto the new stuff. So stay tuned. We're gonna do that real quick, and then we're gonna get into this stuff. Maybe get this on, maybe clean that up for, you know, all this stuff. Alright, I got this thing off here, so that's good. Now we gotta install it that way on the new one. But first, I gotta put these plugs in. I'm gonna do it right now so it's simple and easy. Last time I put that in first and I couldn't stand up like this because that comes right at the bottom. So doing it right now. Alright, I gotta wait to do these because I'm missing the one that probably fell out in the bag, and it might be in the driveway, but I gotta check, which it's not my driveway. It's in the boat's driveway that I'm working on, so I gotta check that for tomorrow. God, these mosquitoes, they're all over the place. Might need a new one of these guys, but I'm not sure. We'll find out, I guess, on the test run. Oh, okay. I think this is supposed to come off, so I think that is okay to twist. Now, does it come off? I'm not sure, but I'm not going to touch it any more than it is right now. So that's fine, I think. So alright, so I got this thing on. Twisting a little, this piece right here is twisting, but I think it's supposed to twist. I think it actually comes off, so I'm going to test it on the boat, see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't have to be replaced, but if it does, it's not a big deal. It would just suck because it's easier to place right here. Alright, I'm gonna get this off. This is not the right size, but we're gonna try it. Oh, that worked. That worked perfect. There we go. There we go. Got it. They messed up the cut right here, and it, you know, it's basically like casted, and it's supposed to be something here. When they broke it, they messed up the thread, so like the one that needed to go in was like bent inward, so I had to like just break it off to, you know, get the clean thread there and have it start. Alright, so the only other thing I gotta do here is break these loose, and I'm probably gonna heat these up first. Alright, I'm gonna have to grind these off. They're not coming off. They're long gone. They're too rotted and definitely not good. But I got the one bolt here, so we'll get some for it. Alright guys, I'm just gonna clean this up here. This is just gonna be clean up the bell housing here so I get it on. I'm gonna try to get it on tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to or not, but I gotta do some research to see how you install this, like, because I see some like gasket maker, so I don't know if I got a gasket maker on this, which if I do, then I gotta go get some because I don't have any, and it's 10 o'clock at night, so we're definitely not gonna be going tonight to get it if we need it, so. Well, that's a hell of a lot better at least. So at least got that cleaned up for the most part. Now I do gotta do more of a intensive clean on it. My fingers are black right now. Because that is actually super dirty. Lots of oil, lots of crap. Needs to be power washed, painted before it goes on the truck. So probably, hopefully tomorrow, I'll get some paint, do that. I gotta go order some stuff online too, actually tonight, so we can get that stuff soon. Like the front gasket here, the front gasket for that there, and stuff like that, because it needs to get out of there. You gotta get it out. So, oh, got it. So yeah, so hopefully we can get that stuff there. Let's try to just spray this down real quick. I'm all out of this shit. Alright, never mind. Alright, other than that, guys, the only thing we gotta do for everything else, pretty much get all this shit out of here. Now, this is why EGR sucks. Do you not see this here? I don't know if I'm gonna put my fingers in it. You see that? That's all soot. That's what you have going through your exhaust system. Now, listen. Alright, these engines here, listen. These engines, he said, is diesel. It's going to be a little messy. You know, we got these coolers over here that are just, you know, like, we have these coolers here, you know, they get clogged up and it causes engine problems. They leak, cause an engine problem. And it's like, they're ridiculous because, like, we don't need these things. It's like, diesel, listen, not everyone's road has diesels. These trucks, yes, they do. They go around the freaking country and do things. Yes, they do. But guess what? We cannot be, you know, there's two different types of pollutions to me. Pollution from engine running. Pollution as in the parts being made. These things do not last that long. They do last, but they don't last long. The one in that engine looks brand new. It's already toast. It's clogged up. This one is crappy looking inside. I wish I could show you guys, but it's hard to show you guys with the camera. And it's hard. It's stupid. To me, it's the stupidest thing. Like, it does not make sense on how these... I hate it. And honestly, because like I said, you hurt the engine more. They're like, oh yeah, but it makes the engine run better because you're refiltering the fuel back into the cylinder. Like, no, you're not. Yes, you're refiltering it, yes, but are you making it run cleaner? Hell no. The cleaner the air, the less hot, the air being the least hot it has to be, is the cleanest way for an engine to run. Not this way, where you get soot like that stuff I just showed you on the table. It's the stupidest thing. What are you gonna do? These people are just money hungry and all that stuff, and I don't know. Who knows? Other than that, guys, I got cleaned this thing up here. This is our new. Not new, from other engines, so you gotta clean up the rust inside here. Honestly, it doesn't have to. We don't have to go nuts. Mainly just get a what do you call it, compressor, blow all the rust out of there. Mainly just surface rust. It's not like actual rust. So blow that out of there, clean it. Just once again blow out of there all the soot and stuff in there. I think yeah, we're using this one. I just can't believe all the soot. Can't believe all the soot in that. So we're using that and that together. I was going to use this is the new engines, but there's some crap in it. I don't know what. Can't fathom what's in that. It's some hard stuff shit. I don't know. No idea. So I'm going to be using old. The new is bad. And probably even the old, whatever you want. I don't know what this is called, but that's what that connects to this, and this connects to there. So we're going to reuse all of it, and hopefully the best of everything. Alright, we gotta move these things here according to the instructions. So we're gonna take like this. I don't know if we get a new ring. Wow, it's hot. Alright, we got that removed, so we got those removed. Next thing we gotta do is basically put our little tool over this thing. 5 and 4. Make sure there's 3 welded nuts on the... Now, I'm not sure exactly how this goes on. I would presume... a nut. Alright, I'm gonna double check the way I have this, but I think I got it on right. Looks like I put the little guys. Oh, hey, this looks exactly. Actually, no, it's funny. I think I actually put it exactly on right by accident. I didn't do that on purpose. Don't know how I did it, but I did it. I gotta see how the rest of this goes, and then we'll see how this rests. That was just gibberish. I want to see how the rest of this goes. So the way I found out this tool, so you gotta put those. They say after you take those nuts off, those little rods go in this big hole here, which you think will go in the little ones, but apparently not. So you gotta go into here, and then like I said, this actually lines up only one way, which I don't know how I did it, but I did it. And then you gotta tighten these up, and then I'm gonna go look at instructions and see how exactly this works. So I saw that I just tried to use try to drill that little screw into the thing. Now the problem is that it's not the right size. This company is a Chinese company. I don't know what this company is, whatever it is. You know, tools will work, but they give you the wrong stuff. Like they overestimate the sizes of things. So don't know what it is. Tool itself I think works, but it's like I gotta go out and figure out what thread is this. These little nubs on here, which I'll show you guys after I get done installing it. I'll show you what nubs I'm talking about. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave this on here for now. That's all I can really do because I really don't feel like taking it off. It's on here. It's where I got it to be. So I'm gonna leave it on here for now. And I think that's kind of gonna be it for today's video because, like I said, it's kind of, I was hoping to just get this off and I was gonna go edit the video, take a shower, do a couple of things with my business, and then other than that, go to bed. That was pretty much all I was planning on doing today. Alright guys, so as I said, it's kind of it for today's video. Like I said, once again, these videos are gonna be a little bit boring, a little bit like whatever, because like I said, I'm just trying to get daily videos of Monday to Friday out, and you know, I'd rather just give you guys a little bit of something than nothing. So if you guys enjoy the videos, please leave a like down below, comment down below. I don't know if to comment down below. Comment something down below, though. Comment something, and subscribe to the channel. Do your taste, follow dreams. Do it your way. Stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.